obviously a lot of the people that were on the panel were thinking about the consumers and how consumers are demanding to know what's behind their foods that they're getting. And that's why it's also very important for us in the international marketing to display Iceland and display the clean energy and the clean water that we have here. It's also about the demand of food that's going to be happening in the near future, and that's where we believe algae is going to play a huge role, because we can actually create 1,000 to 2,000 more protein quantity than, for example, beef per hectare. So we can feed 1,000 to 2,000 more people just by using algae instead of beef. And we need a lot less water also, because one of the other things that we're talking about today is water shortage.
Yes, water security right now. I think it's one of the biggest threats that we can foresee. Has started in some areas already. Mm-hmm. So yes, how do you think these kind of businesses will evolve, like bridging biotechnology together with geothermal energy in the future? How do you foresee it in Iceland and perhaps in other places around the world?
It's already evolving so fast, and I think it's just going to evolve faster. Obviously also because there is increased demand for it, and there is money also, the grant monies that are also getting innovative people to bring their crazy ideas to light. Yeah. So it's I think we're just going to see even faster growth than we are seeing right now, and bigger technological jumps than we've seen today.